Welcome back to Digital Futures Education. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the basic computer science concepts, and I'm going to include the vocabulary and an example. These terms are beneficial for someone entry-level or an aspiring professional for computer science. Also, software development roles and IT roles. These terms are designed to help you get an essential basic understanding of computer science terminology, programming languages, logical problem solving, and software functionality. These terms are going to go over some of the very important skills related to computer science, such as programming skills, learning variables, functions, loops, and conditions. Those are the skills that are going to help you to write and debug code. Additionally, problem solving is also a very powerful skill, using algorithms and also logical constructs like loops and conditions to help solve computational problems. Data manipulation is also part of these terms, and it's important that you understand what working with data types can look like, such as integers, floats, and strings, to help create outcomes in software applications. These terms are going to be essential for anyone learning Java, JavaScript, C++, or Python. And the terms related to debugging are going to help you better understand syntax and logical errors that you will often find in computer science and help you fix code issues more efficiently. There'll be some terms related to modular design as well. This will include leveraging functions and classes to help break problems into smaller and more usable parts. So let's go ahead and start diving into these terms to help push your learning to the next level. First term is algorithm, a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or perform a task. Algorithms are essential for programming and for problem solving. Variable, a storage location in programming that holds data values. Coding, a variable can hold numbers or text. Function, a block of organized, reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions help make coding more manageable and more modular. Loop, a sequence of instruction that loops until a condition is met. Loops are used to perform repeating tasks in programming. Condition, a statement that controls the execution of code based on certain criteria. Conditions help programs make decisions. Data type, classification of data, such as integer, string, or Boolean. Each variable has a data type, defining the kind of data it can hold. Boolean, a data type with only two values, true or false. Booleans are used in conditions to determine logic. Array, a collection of elements, like numbers or strings, stored together. An array can store multiple values under one variable name. String, a sequence of characters used to represent text in programming. Strings are used to store text values. Operator, a symbol that performs operations on variables and values. Operators include plus for addition and the star symbol for multiplication. Integer, a data type representing whole numbers. An integer does not contain decimal values. Thanks for checking out this video on computer science terms. We'd greatly appreciate a subscribe to help support the channel. Let's get back to the terms. Float, a data type for numbers that includes decimals. Floats are used to represent numbers with fractions. Syntax, a set of rules that defines combinations of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs. Syntax errors occur when rules are not followed. Compiler, a program that translates code from high-level language to machine language. A compiler turns source code into executable code. IDE, Integrated Development Environment, a software application that provides tools for programming, including a code editor and a debugging tool. IDEs streamline coding with built-in tools. Debugging, the process of finding and fixing errors in code. Debugging is essential for making sure code runs correctly. Binary, a numbering system using only zeros and ones, fundamental to computer operations. Computers process data in binary. Hexadecimal, a base 16 number system using digits 0 through 9 and letters A through F. Hexadecimal numbers are often used in memory addressing. Constant, a value in code that does not change throughout the program. Constants are used for fixed values like pi. Class, a blueprint for creating objects, providing initial values for state and implementation of behavior. Classes allow you to define custom data types. Thank you for going through those terms with me. Those are the essential computer science vocabulary that you should start with if considering getting started with programming or computer science. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.